In life, do you sometimes feel that nothing is going your way, as if the whole world is against you? We often attribute this to a vague concept called bad luck. But in the wisdom of Feng Shui, luck is not something ethereal. It is a state of energy. And this state may be related to the simplest action you perform every day, which is to sit. The position you sit in determines the kind of energy you receive. A good position allows you to gather TA and be sheltered from the wind, to accumulate energy, get support, and stay alert. A bad position, on the other hand, will continuously dissipate your energy, making you feel insecure, vulnerable, unlikely to miss opportunities. The core principle behind this is again the command position we've emphasized, and the powerful, energetic logic of having a solid backing. When you sit down, you are choosing either a temporary energy throne or an energy trap for yourself. So in your daily life, how can you avoid sitting in the wrong spot? Whether you are at home, in the office, or even in a coffee shop, please subconsciously follow these 3 rules. Rule 1. Never sit with your back to the door. The door is the channel through which energy, people, and events flow in. With your back to the door, you place yourself in a vulnerable, attacked from behind position, unable to see oncoming opportunities and challenges at the first moment. Rule 2. Find your mountain of support. Try to choose a seat with a solid wall behind you. This wall is the most stable support in your energy field. It gives you a sense of security, allowing you to focus on what's in front of you without worry. Avoid having your back to a walkway or a large window. Rule 3. Have a clear view and avoid sharp corners. The space in front of your seat should be open and clean. This is your bright hall, or Ming Tang, symbolizing a bright future. At the same time, avoid having sharp objects, like the corners of desks or walls, pointing directly at you. This kind of sharp key or sure key continuously emits disruptive energy. Luck is not predestined. To a large extent, it is the direct result of the energetic interaction between you and your environment. Start with a simple seat. Consciously choose a position for yourself that is filled with a sense of support and control. When you are seated with stability, your world will also become stable. May you walk in harmony with the Tao, and may all your endeavors unfold with ease. In our next episode, we will unveil the mystery of a negative energy sure cube. Thank you for watching.